Alright, this is a just a extra video. I don't know. We're bored. We have our old microwave that...
Oh, you shut your mouth!
Take that off. This microwave, is it even on? Try it. It works. It runs, but after a couple seconds, it arcs inside the microwave.
Hey, you get like a block of wood or something.
There it goes. Yeah, so...
Better welder than you are.
Shut up. So, we're bored. We're gonna put aluminum foil in it. Ryan's got the aluminum foil, and then afterwards, we're gonna take this mortar that I found. It didn't have a fuse, so I kind of jerry-rigged a fuse. Hopefully it'll work.
Damn, trash can.
Prop it up so we can actually see what it's doing. Is that what you're doing?
Alright, should I scatter it out?
Scatter it out and see what it does. We know what's gonna happen. We just wanna...
I don't know what's gonna happen.
You don't know what's gonna happen?
No, I've never done this.
I've seen it done before.
Alright, 9 minutes.
There you go.
Oh shit!
Whoa! Oh my god.
That actually scared me.
Okay, there's burning. Unplug it. Unplug it. Do it. Do it. There you go. Okay. Did you smell that burning?
No.
You didn't smell that burning?
No.
Let's look at what... Yeah.
Damn, microwave.
Don't plug it back in. Okay. Was that cool? Should we do it again?
Yeah.
Let's do it
I
again.
think it's hot.
I don't know.
It's like a big pile.
It's warm. I'm holding the camera so I can't do anything. You've never seen that happen?
No.
Look at it burn the microwave. Look at that. Nice. Okay. Power failure. That's what it says. That's cool. What would you do right now if it just blew up?
Oh, depending on if it hit me or not, I don't know.
This camera's not focusing for crap.
Throw like a brick into the fucking glass. Want to?
Nah. This is probably really not safe.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
What to do?
No! Because we're gonna blow it up with the other thing later. Fine, do it. See what happens. Chuck it. That's what'll happen.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, it's still on. What's it doing?
Work! Hey, shit, it made it brighter. Holy fuck.
Oh wow.
Why did...
Oh, because it just went out. Why is it... Hit stop, hit stop. I think we killed it.
That's how we fix things in my house.
Alright, no more throwing the piece of firewood at it.
One more.
No.
One more.
No.
Okay.
Jeez.
Wow.
Okay, it's smoking right now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Should I kick it?
No. Should we put the mortar in now?
Yeah.
Who's gonna light it?
Me.
No. Yeah, you.
Me? No, it's okay. I'll do it.
Who has a lighter? Alright, unplug it. It's doing something weird.
It's brighter now, though.
It is that. Now the thing is, I'm not sure if the fuse is gonna go because...
How do I do it?
Get all this shit out.
That just actually effect.
Does it? Now, take the mortar. Are we doing this?
Yes.
Oh my god.
What if it blew up as soon as I put it in there?
Well, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna put it in there. Jeez.
Damn.
We're gonna start running right now. Alright. No. I wish I had another mortar with an actual fuse, but I don't. Put it right there so the fuse is sticking out. Make sure the fuse is in. The camera's not seeing. Make sure the fuse.
Stick a little bit of this in there.
Alright.
And then turn the bitch on.
No. We're unplugging it for this because now close it. And in theory, hang on, did that work? Did that fall? No. It's not gonna close because of the zip tie. Alright. Hang on. Oh my god, this is stupid.
It's okay.
People are gonna give us hell in the comments. And now the fuse is sticking out, now you light it.
Let's just leave it on.
No. You're not turning it on.
What if I did?
Can't turn it on now. So, are we doing this?
No, we're just standing. We'll get a lighter real quick.
I'm gonna go get a lighter. Are you doing this? I'm ducking behind all that stuff.
Why?
Because,
This is scary?
yeah, it's gonna blow up, dude. I've seen people do it, and this thing just blows up. Oh my god. The worst thing that can happen is nothing. And I think nothing happened. Fuck, dude. Okay, who goes over there and sees what's wrong?
How much do I get?
I'll pay your hospital bill.
Really?
No, I'm broke.
Me too.
Okay, let's give it a... Okay, it's still going. It's going. I just saw sparks. Oh my god.
Oh,
Fuck, dude.
oh,
Oh my god. I was expecting it to blow up.
it blew the door open.
Oh my
Can I
gosh.
hit it with a sledgehammer now? Damn.
Damn. Damn, I wish the door was closed when the second bang went off. That was awesome. Oh my gosh.
It balled that up.
Oh man, that was loud.
What if we put a rabbit in there?
We're not putting a rabbit in a microwave.
No shit, that'd be fucking wrong. But I'm saying when it blew up. Popped in there.
Damn it, do I have another mortar?
Go see.
I'm gonna go see. I'm putting something in front of the door this time.
Ryan.
Damn it, I wish I had another mortar.
That was loud though.
Did you hear me say the worst thing that can happen is nothing? Alright, light it, throw it in there. There we go.
That made him louder.
That did.
If the cops came. What are y'all doing? Cooking.
Lighting fireworks. What the fuck do you want?
I'm cooking, that's what's happening. I think I burnt something.
Make sure you get it in
Ow.
there.
It burnt the fucking holy hell out of my hand.
Ah, what the fuck? Here's a whistler. Here you go.
I'm afraid to open that. Go open it.
Alright.
Is that all it did?
Yeah, that's all it did. Throw it in there.
Oh, where's it?
What are you jumpy?
I'm scared.
Of what?
Where's the, is this a green fuse or a fast one?
That's a green fuse. Yeah, just light it and throw it in.
Well, fucking shit.
Come on.
Oh, it is.
GoPro still recording?
Open it.
Yeah. Alright. There's a whistler. Yeah. Alright. What do you want to do to it? Hit it with a sledgehammer. You're cleaning up the mess.
I don't think this would hold up too well.
What?
handle Joe Devil right there.
Yeah, use that.
Move that cinder block.
Alright.
You didn't help me clean it up.
Yeah, I'm just saying I'm not cleaning it up by myself. You do it over there.
Which side?
Do it right on top. What if it blew up?
What's for dinner, huh?
Damn. Don't. Oh, fuck. Why'd you break the glass?
Added to the effect.
The effect of have fun cleaning that up.
Yeah.
Alright, I think you destroyed it. Hopefully. Nah, there's no way we're gonna fix it.
Yeah, we could fix it. Let's plug it in.
Let's not plug it in. Alright, that's good. You're done.
Fuck these buttons. Didn't have 30 seconds.
You're not plugging it in. You are not plugging it in, okay? No.
What if it still worked?
Like it's still gonna work. Unplug it before it blows up. Alright, I guess that's the end of this video. Alright. Thanks for watching, I guess.